Your Java app is running fine, but the heap keeps filling up. Unused objects everywhere. Your app slows down until one hero arrives, the Java garbage collector.
Hey developer, I'm the garbage collector. My job is to clean unused objects from Java memory. Every time your program creates objects, they are stored in Heap Memory. But when objects are no longer referenced, they become garbage. First, I mark objects still in use. Then I delete everything else.
And just like that, your Java memory is clean again.
Garbage collection removes objects without active references. Modern JVM uses collectors like G1, ZGC, and Shenandoah. If you want to master Java internals, follow for the next episode.